Hi again, this is Marin from Los Angeles, and today we're going to be talking about muscle contraction and fatigue, two really important topics related to your life. Understanding these two topics and how they're interrelated can help you improve not only the safety of your daily routine, but also help you make better lifestyle choices before and after exercise. So this week's question came in to us from our good friend Sandy, who recently started an exercise routine, but is now saying she's too sore to continue and is ready to give up. I'm so proud of Sandy for starting her exercise routine. So let's break it down for Sandy and see if we can help her continue on safely in her exercise journey. So first of all, Sandy, muscle soreness and after exercise is common. So please don't think something is wrong with you. Some actually describe that feeling as a good feeling. Now, if muscle soreness is so significant that it's preventing you from doing your daily activities, it might be time to see a medical provider, as something more serious could be occurring. But we're just going to generally address that sort of general muscle soreness following exercise. So sometimes the soreness shows up 1 to 2 days after you exercise, but this is normal and shouldn't last long. There's actually a medical term for this. It's called delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, and it's something that's very common with even professional athletes. While working out, your muscles are working harder than normal, which is resulting in your muscles having microscopic level damage. So really, really, really tiny. But that damage is not dangerous and it's not bad. So please don't think that you should stop doing it. And that's what's causing your muscle fibers to become stiff and to become sore. As you condition your body to work out on a regular basis, this soreness and tightness should start to subside, and it'll make it easier for you when you exercise. So in order to relieve these symptoms, you need to rest your body for a day or work out other muscles besides what you worked out at the beginning. Use ice packs on areas of concern and use painkillers, but only if it's needed, as too many painkillers can really cause damage to your liver and is probably unnecessary and can be relieved with some rest and some ice. Lastly, my favorite thing to recommend here, get a professional massage. This can help stretch your body out and relieve that muscle tension. So for your next workout, make sure you take time to stretch both before and after your workout, and make sure you're gradually easing into your exercise routine. You can't run a marathon on your first day of practicing running. So make sure that you listen to your body and stop when it's time to stop. So keep it up, Sandy. Your body will thank you for exercising. And once you are in a routine, everything's going to become easier. I highly recommend that you book some time with a certified professional trainer that can help you choose the right workout routine and help you do it in a safe manner. Lastly, don't forget to do your cool down, drink lots of water, and eat a well-balanced diet. So we'll talk next week. Sandy, great job. Keep it up. Bye.